Well, howdy boys and girls, do we got something delicious for you today. Did a whole bunch of repairs on this roof, so I'm not gonna go through all of them, but for the one we're currently doing, let's take a look at that bad boy right there. You see those handles right there? That's to turn it around. Basically, someone just decided to go and drill a hole into the vertical pipe and stick another pipe inside. That ain't gonna be hermetically sealed, is it? So we cut it down, and we had to seal that connection off with a special T-liner. And I'm gonna show you what that looks like. It's a whole different mechanism than a regular patch. So we got our cure time, we're done. Look at that, I got a watch, only for patches. So we're gonna deflate it. This is our vacuum, we're gonna vacuum that out and take it out and see what happens. Got the vacuum. We'll look inside, make sure it's deflated, and then get our camera and see what happens. We're one, it's already recorded, so I think we're deflated, vacuumed out, so we're gonna pull it out. Right here. There we go. See how it's different looking? That's our T-packer. And we're gonna stick the camera inside and see if it came out good. And if we didn't, we just ain't gonna tell nobody. Pull that out, look at that transition. Isn't she lovely? No wrinkles, no crinkles, no folds. No, nothing. That is I'm gonna cry, that's so nice. Woo-hoo! That is nice. Well, we're gonna go through here as well, I think. Really, we're gonna go through it with a bigger camera afterwards. But there you go. Going down. And, ooh, isn't that beauty? Isn't that a beauty? Right there, that's that T. Beautiful. Hermetically sealed T. We're gonna go. I'll go with my 360 at a later date. Oh, look who's here. Say hi, boys and girls.
Hey guys.
All right, sounds good to me. Peace out.